Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Edge not responding. So if Microsoft Edge is not responding, then in this video I found a really easy way on how you can fix this. So what you need to do is open your Windows or Mac, and basically once you're done that you want to head over to this program called Task Manager or Activity Manager. On Mac it will be called Activity Manager, and on Windows it will be called Task Manager, but it will basically do the same. So once you're right here, make sure that memory is selected, and then you will find a list of all the applications that are currently running on your computer. Now if you found that list, then all we're going to do is find this program called Microsoft Edge Helper. You may or may not have more than one of those programs running currently. So let's say that you have 3 times the Microsoft Edge Helper running. Then all you're going to do is double click on that program, click on quit and force quit. Because what we're going to do is we are going to basically close all of the programs that are currently running over on your computer called Google or Microsoft Edge Helper, and make sure it says render after that. So what you're going to do is find all of the programs that are called Microsoft Edge Helper, and then with render afterwards you can just double click on them, and then it will be basically forced closed, and that will fix a lot of memory issues, because sometimes those apps can basically build up a lot of memory on your computer, and when you simply close that, it will basically be removed, and the only thing that basically happens is your Microsoft Edge literally just closing. But when you reopen it, everything will still be there. You can just refresh, you're good to go, and you will have a lot more storage on your Microsoft Edge basically, and your Microsoft Edge will run a lot smoother. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to fix it. Please let me know down in the comments below if this fixed it for you, and if it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.